take an overview of the mark-to-market election. Now if the template is on your desktop, just double click it and invoke Excel. It brings you to the end user license agreement. You'll scroll down to the bottom, and if you agree to that, click OK. And it will take you to the roadmap. Now the roadmap is for determining the dates that you have to file particular forms. This is also found on my website, but it's not interactive there. But this, you answer a few questions and it tells you the dates for which you file particular adjustments or elections. The 41A, Form 3115, your mark-to-market year-end positions, and the particular tax schedules. And then you can click Print Preview and then answer one of these questions, and you get a printed summary of your particular roadmap for making the mark-to-market election. The election form you can fill in based on the examples that are here, and if for instance you change something to your trading entity LLC and you want to get the example information back, just click to reload the example data and there it comes. You also have a print preview, and you can get help on making the election and the forms that you need to file. Here is the 481A adjustment, where you input your stock symbol, whether it's an option or not, the quantities, your original cost and commissions, and then the current market value, and it will give you the amount that you need to input for your 3115 application for a change in accounting method. And it will also tell you whether you need to take that adjustment into income over a 1-year period or a 4-year period. This is the year-end tab. Basically the same information is input in these cells, and then your market-to-market adjustment for the year is calculated here. And you can also archive a particular year by choosing the appropriate year in the drop-down menu and clicking Archive, answering that question, and there is where your archive is stored. So that's a brief overview of the mark-to-market election template. There is another video called the mark-to-market tutorial, which basically goes through making the mark-to-market election as a tax election and using the template to do that. So I encourage you to watch that one, and thank you for watching this one. As always, good trading. Bye.